wondered how your phone charges, how cities light up, or how cars drive themselves? Behind all of it is electrical engineering, a powerful that shapes the modern world. Let us break it down. What is electrical engineering? Electrical engineering is the study and the applications of electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism. It is all about building systems that power devices, control machines, and transmit signals. So, what do electrical engineers do? They design power systems that run cities, create electronic in your smartphone, develop renewable energy grid, and even program robots. The key topic in electrical engineering. Some major branches include circuit, digital logic, embedded system, power system, and telecommunications, carriers and features. With smart devices, electric vehicles, and AI on the rise, electrical engineers are in high demand worldwide. From the Google, Tesla, NASA to startup, they are everywhere. Should you become one? If you love solving problems, building techs, shaping the future, then electrical engineering may be just be your path. Want to explore more? Subscribe for your easy explainer video on every topic in electrical engineering. Thank you very much.